Hello everyone, this is your favorite motivational cultural dancer. I'm here today to take you through tutorials concerning this so-called cultural dance. Okay, so we assume that we are standing on two blocks, alright? Assume you are standing on two blocks, okay? Both on your left and your right, alright? So let's say you're right-sided, okay? So there's another block in front of you. So if you want to move, I would like you to move. Where you are standing, you're going to move your right leg. So where you are standing is already one, so you have to count one. Okay, where you're standing is already one. So the next thing you have to count is two. That's where you're taking your leg to. So you have to move your leg two. Alright? So take it back again. So you move it in front of you to the block in front of you is two. Alright? So the thing is you move two and three. That means you counted two and three. You won't be counting one because your leg is already is one. So you count two, take it back to your normal position. Three. So two, three. Dancing this, you need to move your hands. Alright, so when you move your leg forward to the block, alright, then you move your hands, your both hands to your left. Take it this way. Two, three. Okay, let's first say two, three, two,